Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make chicken casserole, which will be very cheesy and yummy and is a great recipe to impress when you have guests at home. So let's get started with this interesting and delicious chicken casserole recipe. And here I have taken 500 grams of minced chicken. Next, I'm going to grate some cheddar cheese, which will make our chicken casserole cheesy and delicious. And along with cheddar cheese, I will also add some shredded mozzarella cheese. This should be enough. And to make my chicken casserole more filling and delicious, I will include 2 eggs, into which I will add around 100 ml of milk. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Now we will whisk this well until all the ingredients are well combined and our egg mixture is ready. Then you will also need some minced onion, garlic and ginger, which you can include as per the quantity of minced chicken you are using, and half cup of tomato puree. I am using ready-made tomato puree here. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, we will heat around 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. And now into this we will add the minced chicken. We will now saute the minced chicken for a few minutes until the color slightly changes. And as you can see, the color of the minced chicken has changed. At this stage, we'll add the tomato puree. We will mix this well and saute the tomato puree until the raw taste goes away. And now we'll quickly season this with some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and some smoked paprika powder. We will mix this well so that the seasonings are well combined with the chicken. And now we will cover and cook the chicken on low to medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll remove the lid. The chicken is well cooked by now and it's smelling too good with all the lovely seasonings. We'll now turn off the flame and transfer this to a bowl. And now into this flavorful chicken, I am adding here 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, which will make our chicken filling creamy and delectable. We'll mix this well. This is done and now time to assemble our casserole. First, we will brush an oven-safe dish with some olive oil or butter. And then we will layer with the creamy chicken which we had prepared. Spread the chicken evenly on all the sides of the baking dish. Next, I will place some onion slices, capsicum slices, and tomato slices. This is optional though. If you like them, you can add or you can skip it. Then here I have taken some grated mozzarella cheese, which I will add on top of the sliced veggies. And along with mozzarella cheese goes the grated cheddar cheese. You can add cheese as per your preference, but adding them generously will make the casserole cheesy and delicious. And now we'll pour the beaten egg mixture on all the sides of the baking dish. We'll season this quickly with some mixed herbs and some chili flakes. That's it. And now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's baked well. And after about 30 minutes, our chicken casserole is baked well and is now ready to be served. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken casserole recipe, which you can prepare in advance and serve when you have guests for lunch or dinner. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.